Hey guys. Oh, I look so pretty. Damn. Okay, hi guys. Welcome to another vlog. This is Cine's digital journals, and we're going to visit my cousin in Boksburg. So I'm going to take you guys with, and yeah, please like, comment, share, and subscribe so that you can motivate me to shoot more content for you guys. Love you guys. Bye. Now I'm catching feelings, baby. Guys, utema banzi khathi seyosha bo10 temulele. Okay, sharp. Sigibo tem. Ulele. Tangagcina ukuza la yo. Yes, ngivloga ngawe. Papa abantu bala ekhaya. Ukumamakho. Ha, guys, mangan come camera them. Ha, I'm judging you.
It's fine.
That's why mangithi mina lamlime sizoliwe like oh in. Ha, guys, shembuka nama headphones wakhe misi kanjani. With blood donation, I had to. I want to see what.
Your boy's different.
Hello. Hello. Okay. Blocky.
Hi girl.
Hi y'all.
Cousin.
Exactly. Where's the job?
Oh guys, ukinela mina. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, ukinela mina. Because
ukinela is safety in space.
Ukinela mina.
There's a street and then at the roundabout.
Hey guys, just arrived at Lash's house, and yeah, please don't make it awkward for me. Guys, ngiyasabu ukuvloga mina yazi.
You know, it's like Mama also want to start vlogging.
Yeah, you should.
I want to get into it.
Guys, ulihle hlala egcineni kwale estates like yo. But yeah guys, it's a very nice estate. I'll probably show. Bas bangibheka and as awkward man babakubheka uvlog. Guys, we're at a trade mart. Yes, guys. Papachinos. Let's say that.
Eastern Trade Square.
Yeah, guys. I'm going to show you guys the. It's in Baba in shop. Hi, yabo bangani mama bangabehave. Nginibuyela nekhwama. Nezwa. Ngicela nje nibehave.
How much mistakes is made?
Oh my god.
Guys, I know you all don't know me. I'm Mr. Vlog. I'm the cousin, of course. The baddest cousin alive.
I don't know about that. I'm kidding.
You better be. Anyways, so like guys, we just came from doing screen protector and stuff.
Yo guys, if you could see my screen right now, it's so pretty.
It's eating, it's chowing, it's swatching. Anyways, guys, the mood is clean. Okay, like my skin is not glowing. Take my skin. It's not eating my sister. It's not eating. But anyways.
Hey guys. It's the second day of the visit, and I know guys that I haven't been updating y'all because guys I'm going to update on teen because all we did was to clean and chill, and I cooked, guys. I cooked a very great meal. Yeah guys, and yeah, now we're going to put on lashes because tomorrow is a big day. Okay, yeah, and guys, tomorrow I'm going to end the vlog ne, so in shame. But I have a better one coming ne? So yeah, put lashes, yeah, install lashes with us. I'm with Lishem. Oh my word. Guys, we're using this for lighting.
Guys, lighting is bad, so we have to use my phone. Anyways, guys, so like as Snee said, we're gonna be installing lashes, guys.
Yeah.
Like
I think I'm going to go with the thin look.
The thin look.
Yeah,
I think
I've
I'm gonna
never
go with the
tried the
thick look
thin.
then. Anyways, guys, so like this is the glue that we're using.
Guys,
It's
her
her
aunt, by the way.
Mamncane.
Oh yeah, Mamncane.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, she's my niece.
But we call each other Mzala because you know.
She's my niece.
And then we got these what is it, Lash Kalangit?
Whatever they call them.
Whatever it's called. And then we got two different
I'm taking this one.
tweezers. Snare's using this one, I'm gonna use this one. Reason being we're using two lashes is that we can both do our own lashes in one moment. And if we passed, we passed. You guys are gonna see that.
Yeah.
And then this is where we're putting the glue with the spool so that we can brush our lashes. And as you can see, we move for eyes. Move for eyes.
You chose for eyes, man.
I didn't choose. I was born into this.
Why didn't you pick contact lenses?
Girl, I look gorgeous with glasses, as you can see.
I'll never be for eyes, guys. You know I love my contact lenses. Yeah.
And that's what's nice about us. You know the difference. You contact lenses for eyes.
Okay, guys. I don't want us to yap too much, so I'm going to put time lapse.
Yeah. Baby, I like your style.
Let's get the party started.
Guys, we're done. I know you guys can't see us properly, but I'm sure you can tell the difference. You look better. I'm low-key tired. My back is kind of sore because yeah, guys. But I'm looking so pretty. I'm so pretty.
Oh no, not Yolanda. We'll be back in a sec, guys.
Guys, so Sisile Lash just to seal them, and then yeah, guys, can do ban manjalona. Lila pimple leyan bagi. Hey, guys. Hey, ngiyadlala, ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi abamathidi. Hey, ngiyadlala bakithi. Hey, ngiyadlala. Yo, ngiyadlala. Yo, akusila fempule, ngiyadlala. Yo, ngiyadlala. Yo, guys, hey. Yazi ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi my family watches these things. Hey, ngiyadlala bakithi. Hey, I'm joking. Hey. Ngaze niyi-chest phela. Yeah.
Hello, good people. What's up? This is the one and only DJ Rumi on the ones and twos. Stay tuned and locked in. Buckle up and relax and let the rhythm take over. Enjoy.
And I'm feeling a bit cold, so I'm going to fetch my jersey. And yeah, I don't know if Lash is going to run the look, but it's a blue and white jersey and the theme is blue and white. So yeah, guys. Yo, and my shoes, amalona shoelaces ayayenza yaqhaqheka and akekho avile ukuthi azongibopha. Eish. Or onele, because yangisho niyazivela ukuthi ngiyaba-controla. Can you please unlock the car?
On my status or probably on my...
Okay guys, a quick OOTD. Yo, I don't know if y'all can see me, but yeah. Hairband from ShopRite, scrunchie from Unimart, what is this? Hoodie from Cotton On, the shirts underneath Cotton On, the pants from Cotton On. Guys, I'm wearing pink socks, but yeah, socks from Adidas, shoes from Steve Madden, bag from Mr. No, is it Mr. Price? No, it was a gift from Mamshongo. I think it's from The Fix. And yeah, guys, that's my fit.
You know how to cut a cake?
Yeah, guys. Sorry, but I think this is the end of the video because I don't think this is a conveniente soyenza. Besides the second vlog's activity. So yeah, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please watch the upcoming vlog. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.